Welcome back guys, and in today's video I'm going to tell you 3-4 tips and tricks by which we can improve the performance of our Samsung mobile tremendously. So not wasting much of your time, before proceeding further I would like to request you please subscribe this channel. So now coming to the first thing, when we swipe down and see the notification panel, we see device control and media output is there and the brightness tab is coming downwards. So if you want to see this brightness tab upward, what we need to do, just tap on here 3 dots, then quick panel layout, then if you do not want to show the control and media output, then we have to select once. And if we want to see the brightness control tab upper side also, so always. So now let us see what happened. Here device and media output is not there and brightness tab is downward as well as upward, and now we can adjust the brightness from here also. So this is all about the first point. The second point, I want to tell you about the face recognition unlocking process by face. If you want to improve it, now I will show what I want to tell you. When the mobile is locked and we try to unlock it, I will show my face. It is unlocked, but it needs one swipe from my side to get fully unlocked. If we do not want to give this swipe and we want that while showing my face to the mobile should got unlocked completely, then what we need to do, just go here, go to the settings, then go to the lock screen, then we have to go to the face recognition, then enter the pattern, then one option is there, stay on lock until swipe. We should turn it off. Now see what will happen. If I am locking it and if unlocking it, I will show my face and it is completely unlocked. So this is about the second thing, means completely unlock the mobile without swipe while showing your face. This is the second point. And third point, I want to tell you, in some mobiles during course of the time, the fingerprint action is taking slightly more time. So how can we reduce that time, like unlocking time while showing the fingerprint? Suppose I am showing this, it is unlocking instantaneously. So in some mobiles this time is quite reasonable. So in that case, if we want to reduce that time, we want to unlock at once, at that time only, what we need to do, just go to the setting, go to the lock screen, then go to the fingerprints, then this one, then we need to go to the show animation while locking. We will turn it off. This is the first step. Second step, we will go to the apps. In apps, we just press these 3 bars, show system map. We will then search here and we will search biometric. This will come, we tap it on, and here we will go to the battery and we will unrestrict it, not optimize, unrestricted. Now this all we have to do to improve the fingerprint unlocking performance. Now we will do what is happening. Just in my mobile, although previously also the unlocking process was very fast, but the mobile we purchased 6 months back or 1 year back or 2 year back, this process getting slow after being used for so many times. So this can be used there. So this is all about today's video. These are the 3-4 hidden features by which we can improve our performance of the Samsung mobile. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Press the bell icon. Thank you very much.